sandwich to go to heat up, and I just grabbed it like this. I'm having a moment.
Okay, so here's the deal. Sexy ass Tahiri Jose from Love and Hip Hop New York Season 3, Joe Budden's ex-girlfriend. You fucked up, Joe Budden. She's so goddamn sexy. This sexy Dominican mama. She can sit up there and make sandwich eating sexy. Like, where they do that at? Like, what part of New Jersey or New York is she from? I'm gonna have to go and see what's out there for real. For real. But here's the deal. Here's what Tahiri had to say about it all on Instagram. She said, ha 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 ha. Hashtag Tahiri After Dark. Your children shouldn't be up watching my social media. I'm human. And we all, yeah, never mind. Don't trip. I will delete it. I'm a clown. Just having fun. This rap reminds me. Woo, this rap reminds me of a couple of monkey emojis. Anyways, oh, and don't front. We all do it. If you don't, that's why he's cheating. Laughing my ass off. Face emoji, wetness emojis. Hashtag Team Tahiri. Hashtag real life. Hashtag Snapchat. The real Tahiri, add me. Hands up in the air, waving them like she just don't care. But here's the deal. Tahiri is such a nasty freak that she can make eating a sandwich sexy. Now, shout out to Tahiri. That's definitely a skill that is very rare. There's very few, look at me, I can't even talk. I'm so thirsty. There's very few females who can make everything that they do look sexy. Like Drea Michelle, she's one of those types. Of course, the most beautiful woman in the world, Porsha Almighty Williams. You see how I can just throw Porsha's name in the video that has nothing to do with her? We're talking about sexy, so of course I'm going to mention Porsha. So, you know, Porsha can do that too. I mean, but it's definitely a rare skill. Skill with my non-talking ass. It's a very rare skill that you have to truly develop. It's not something that you can just do. It's something that you have to have within you. You know, you just got to be that type of sexy. You got to be, you know, aligned with that type of energy in the universe and whatnot. Man, but damn, the Yoni-verse. But anyway, shout out to the very sexy Tahiri Jose from Love and Hip Hop New York. You know, I would love to eat sandwiches with her, you know, or at least watch her eat a sandwich. I mean, I'm pretty sure she could put it down, Jesus. I don't know what that sandwich is full of, but damn, you would think it was full of love. But she was about to put it in her mouth, Jesus. And anyways, woo, just because I find Tahiri Jose eating a sandwich to be very erotic doesn't mean that you do. Let me know what you think about it all below. Be sure to subscribe to the Meat Magazine YouTube channels. Visit meatmagazine.blogspot.com. Follow me on Twitter at Meat Magazine. Tahiri, hashtag Tahiri for president. If you run, I'm voting. Meat Magazine.